So, this is a video of Mom taking a picture. I secretly hope someone takes a picture of me taking a video of someone taking a picture.
The drive from Namwon to Haeinsa took us about an hour and a half through some mountainous countryside. We drove through a few tunnels on the expressway and past some pretty valleys. We're driving up Kayasan to go to Haeinsa, and just had to stop and get out and get this because it is just so gorgeous. There's this little valley, just love it, and the sun's starting to go down. It's so beautiful. I was thinking we might have some time tomorrow. Originally I was hoping to go see the temple in the evening, but I think we're probably going to find a spot and then go see it in the morning. So we'll be coming back down here again, but I'm sure the light will be different, so I just wanted to get this now. So pretty. So this is right outside the hotel that we ended up at, and the sun is going down right about now, but I just thought I'd come out and see what I could get. This is such a gorgeous area. There's these huge mountains, and we're right outside Haeinsa Temple, which we haven't actually seen yet. We're gonna go, see that in the morning. But down the hill, there's this little tourist village, I guess you could say, all the little shops and restaurants and things and places to stay. We checked out a few of them and ended up here. The kids have been on the road a lot, and I saw the room and said, yeah, Kate's gonna like this. It has beds and a bathtub, and I think it'll do fine. And I even went down to the desk and just to make sure there was nobody right under us, because Andy was so excited and he was like jumping up and down a lot, and Doug said, maybe we shouldn't be letting him stomp like that. But they said, nope, there's nobody there. The sky is just going a little bit pink. The drive up here was just gorgeous. So pretty. We stopped at a rest area off the expressway, which Doug keeps calling it the interstate. Like, he says interstate, and then he goes, no, not interstate. and I say, well, you could call it the interstate, and I won't laugh at you. It's like inter-province, right? So, 안녕하세요. 네, 그냥 비디오를 찍는 거예요. 네, 뭐 셀카? 저요? 미국에서 왔어요. 우리 남편과 애들도 있어요, 2명. 남편과 애들도 있어요, 2명. 네, 내일 아침에 해인사로 갈 거예요.
해인사 저래?
네, 네. 네, 바로 왔어요. 네.
그래.
네, 네, 고향 어디예요?
난 대구.
대구. 네.
고향
시애틀 근처.
시애틀?
아세요? 예.
미국에?
네. 네, 그 근처. 네.
지금 한국에는 어디 사시야?
네. 지금 그냥 여행하는 거예요.
한국말 좀
네,
잘한다. 어떻게 한국말을 그래 잘 배웠어요?
뭐 옛날에 여기 선교사로 왔고 그때 배웠어요. 예.
예, 훌륭합니다.
네. 감사합니다. 네. 반가워요. 네. I don't know what I was saying. So anyway, the kids are very glad to be out of the car, and our sleeping arrangements were kind of a little bit uncomfortable last night, so this is good. I'm still working on the laundry situation, but we'll get through it somehow. Oh, okay, I remember what I was saying. We stopped at a rest area off the expressway, and they had kind of a little trail going up this ridge where there was like an observatory, and you could see over the whole valley, and it was really pretty just with the lighting, starting to get late. And I had left Hey gimbal, what are you doing? Gimbal doesn't want to film me right now. I had left the camera in the car, so I did not get it. But it was pretty cool. So anyway, I will go back in. Just wanted to share that. Good night. Wow, look at the stairs and the gate. It's so pretty. Haeinsa is one of Korea's 3 jewel temples and is particularly important because it houses the Tripitaka Koreana, Buddhist scriptures carved onto wooden printing blocks. The temple bell is engraved with writing laid out in a labyrinth pattern. It's a famous piece of writing by the monk Uisang. One of the names for it is Heindo, or the ocean seal. The same labyrinth pattern is on the ground in the lower courtyard. Guests can walk through it as a form of meditation. I've seen pictures of it lined with lanterns for Buddha's birthday in the spring. The pattern has become the temple's logo, and we spotted it in a couple of other places also. The Tripitaka printing blocks are kept in special buildings at the rear of the temple complex. You can't actually go inside the buildings, so they have these pictures up that show what they look like. There's a sign that says no video in that section, but apparently still photos are okay. The blocks are more than 750 years old, and there are 81,258 of them. You can catch glimpses of them through the slats. The buildings are specially designed to maintain the right humidity and ventilation to keep the wooden blocks from decaying. Outside this area, there's a replica block on display, and you can buy a print made from it. As we were walking back down from the rear of the complex, we could hear the temple drum, so we went to see it. I've only seen this once before, at Songgwangsa, when Doug and I were there 20 years ago. It's very cool to watch. After seeing the temple, it was time to go get some lunch. We went back down to the tourist village and found a little place called Sudok Sikdang. This lady was awesome. She was super friendly, and she made fried eggs for the kids and fed us lots of yummy food. We had some really good sanche bibimbap and pajan. Everything was great.
Hello, 안녕하세요.
Hi.
감사합니다, 어머니.
우리는 너무 잘 먹었고
아, 너무 맛있었어요. 네, 감사합니다. 네.
Thanks for watching.